It's been raining for the past 3 days. But just not just any rain. You know that really sort of mild but constant rain. Non-stop, 24/7, overnight, through the day. Not even when it comes in waves, just constant, non-stop. Typical England, but today we finally got a day which is actually half decent. It's gonna rain later on, so I thought I'd come out and ride a bit and do a bit of vlogging, because I'm gonna do some changes, well, make some changes to the bike today. I'm gonna head up to my uncle's house later on, hopefully get some gimbal footage, and then I'm gonna change. I finally got around to it, because this was actually a suggestion by a sub, Crash Gaming. He commented a while back saying he'd got like a polarizing kit so that you can flip the colors. Oh, actually clicked up a gear there. Yeah, so I can actually flip the colors on the dash. I've seen people do it before, but I just never got around to doing it, because just never got around to doing it. So I am going to do it today. So I hope you're happy about that. I'm probably going to be more happy about it, because I know the color flip on the dash is really cool, and it makes it look like the MT-09 SP and the MT-10 SP and the R1M dash. It would look like that. So I'm really excited to do that. So that will be done later on. And other than that, I've got some LED bulbs. I think I've got like an angel eye bulb, and I've got just like a regular H4 LED bulb that I'm going to fit in as well. Because the standard bulb on these incandescent bulbs are horrible, and they're yellow. Like, it's yellow light just doesn't, you know, like when I was riding through, I think I went down to Guildford or something a couple of weeks ago. I tried to do some night lane riding, and I was going to make it into a video, or like make it part of a video, and I got home and I had the ISO setting on like 1600 or like 3200, so the video was like really grainy. And even then, I mean, like, I'm not saying that it's meant to come out good, because with GoPro, with these tiny GoPro lenses, the exposure in the lens is really bad anyway, so low light filming is always going to be horrible. So I tried my best to add like artificial lighting through the settings, tried some in post-production to increase the lighting, like have my lights on high beam the entire time, but it just wasn't good enough. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do today. And yeah, I honestly just want to come out for a ride. I've been meaning to do some rain footage, so it's not like I don't want to go out riding in the rain. It's just the last couple of days, it's just like been so horrible. I'm going to go Hampstead here. What's this? It's a field trip. Yeah, I was going to film some rain footage, because I don't know if you guys remember, I think it was the MT-09 ride video that I did a while ago, like a couple of weeks ago, that I tested some hydrophobic coating on the lens, and it kind of worked, but the rain wasn't heavy enough to make it fully work, because the goal was to basically get like heavy rain, so that as soon as the rain hits the lens, it would slide off, so you get like this really cool cinematic rain effect without having to do it in post-production, and all of it's just basically from the raw footage. So I am going to do that. If that's something you guys want to see, I would want to do it. If it's not, I might just include it in like a section of my video. But yeah, because I think that'd be a really cool idea, no? To have like a rain footage, like a rain only video, where I'll still do like the regular vlogs, but just in the rain, and then you guys can see the cool hydrophobic lens effect, and I might add like some ambient like rain thunder noise, so that, you know, it's a bit more mellow, it's a bit more chill, and kind of balance out the bike noise to the rain noise, so it's not too overpowering and you guys don't hear too much sound in your headphones, so it's not too overwhelming. But yeah, if that's something you guys want to see, just say something in the comments below. Whoa, come on! What is this say? It's green light. F me! mean, I was gonna turn left, but there was no red light or green light or anything for them. That's f***ed, man. I don't know what council Hampstead's under, but you guys gotta sort that shit out. That's fucking life-threatening. Bro, look at these mansions, man. Imagine, this is literally like 15-20 minutes from Central. And there's like these huge 10-20 million pound mansions. Insane. Come on, man. Nice rims, bro. What the fuck was that? What the fuck was that? Yo, that was creepy as hell. I don't know if anyone behind me saw that. Does that car have a driver? Yeah, it is. Someone is driving that. Fucking hell. Sometimes I wish I knew what went through people's heads. I mean, I kind of don't, but... Jeez. Right, okay. So, we're finally heading home now. Basically, everything's kind of done, but I don't know if it will come up in the camera, but the display isn't fully done because I found out that the polarizing film that I got wasn't actually self-adhesive. So I basically just had to stick it together with some like foam like tabs and just stick it on top, and then essentially just have the display cover squish the film into the actual LCD. So it's not a big problem because I can still see my display. It just doesn't look that nice. So I'm just gonna have to reorder it and just redo it basically. But I'll link Turbo TWINKIE's video because he does a really good video. Like, he does a video way better than mine because his one's just a lot clearer. He's got better like camera equipment. He's got better, not camera equipment, but like he's got a better filming angle, and he just knows what he's doing like better than what. Because I learned my video. No, I learned how to do this off of him. So I recommend go check out his video to do it properly. But look at these LED lights though. Hold up, look at this. Holy moly, bro! You can see miles ahead.